In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam on Streamlabs. So this can be really useful if you don't have a built-in webcam on your computer. You can actually use your iPhone as a webcam instead, and we can do this without needing to download anything. So the very first step is just to go and unlock your iPhone, open up an internet browser. I'll be using Safari, and in the address bar, you need to go and type in vdo.ninja and press enter. Now, once you're on this website here, click on the option for add your camera to OBS. Now, if this is your first time doing this, then you'll get some notifications asking to allow access to the camera and microphone. Just make sure to click on allow. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to video source, and this is where you need to select the camera that you want to use. So these are all of the different cameras on your iPhone, and each of these cameras will be different qualities as well. So you'll just need to find the one that works best for you. I'm just going to be using the back camera like this. You can then decide whether you also want to use your iPhone microphone and the audio. I'm going to select no audio. And once you've done this, just press start. Now at the very top of this page, you'll notice this URL, and this is really important as we need to add this into Streamlabs. So what we're going to do now is come over to our computer and click on the plus icon next to sources. You then need to click on browser source and click on add source. You can then decide to rename this to something like webcam and then press add source. Now for the URL, this is where we need to enter the URL that was on our iPhone. So once you've entered the URL, you should be able to see the camera on your iPhone like this. Now you can leave all of these settings as they are and just press close. Now you can see our webcam on the screen. You can go and reposition and also resize this like so. So that's how you use your iPhone as a webcam in Streamlabs. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.